Okay, so now ituturo ko kung paano mag-research ng mga personal emails or work email. So let's start. The tools that we need are a Gmail account, to Gmail account. Then Rapurative. Install Rapurative here. This is Rapurative. Ito. Ito ha. Rapurative to. Install mo muna yan dito. Install Rapurative. Then ito. Install mo to. This is easy to install. And it works only on Gmail. Install, click this or this, then you will be here redirected Rapurative. Add it to Chrome, meaning naka-install na siya. Add Rapurative. Basta mayroon dito, install mo lang dito, click mo lang dito, tapos may install na yan. So tapos nyan, mayroon na tayong Rapurative. Mayroon pang ibang tools na which is gagamitin natin pag research, which is Whois. Ito Whois.com. Then mail tester to test if the email is valid, and the company name plus LinkedIn. Company name plus LinkedIn. This is and premiumdata.com account or Zoom info. So itong 5 tabs na to, importante ito. Huwag lang natin i-close kasi gamit natin lagi ito. So ito ang sample ng mga company na ating research sa mga emails. Okay, let's start. Hatley Store. First, check it on Whois. So, mayroon Jeremio. Try ka natin. Jeremio. So, ito yung Rapurative. Oh, mayroon. He is the owner on Hatley. So, owner. Click natin yung LinkedIn. Ito. Dapat nakasign in din kayo sa LinkedIn. She is the owner. So, nahanap na natin yung owner. Pero, we prefer to find the director of e-commerce. So, let's check if there is a director of e-commerce. Try natin tong company name plus LinkedIn. Yan, Hatley Store plus LinkedIn. So, mayroong result. Company, kapag ganito, http www.linkedin company Hatley, meaning company, LinkedIn ng company Hatley yan. Pag ganito naman, ito, ibang lugar to. Great Britain. Ito, meron result. Check natin kung website same website, di ba? Hatley Store. Okay. We'll check if there is director of e-commerce. Oh, ito may result. E-commerce manager at Hatley. Click natin, then so hindi tayo naka-premium, so we will click on this people also viewed. Tapos makikita natin yung kung sinong name nito. So ito, e-commerce manager si Danilo P. Since nahanap na natin yung format ng kanilang email, si Jeremy yung owner, Jeremy Jeremy plus meaning first name plus last initial ng last name. First initial ng last name. So Danilo P. We'll check Danilo P. Danilo P. So there's a result. Kita nyo merong meaning this is a valid. We'll test this on mail tester. Check. Since nahanap natin yung ano sa OS, si Jeremy, check natin yung admin phone. Kasi dito natin kinuha sa admin, not registrant kasi no valid email. Check natin kung yung phone kung kanya ba talaga. Pag kunti lang result, kunti lang result, Hatli.com, Hatli, halos lahat naka-link sa Hatli. So this is valid for him. This is Jeremy's phone contact. Kunin natin. Personal email are Gmail account, Yahoo, yan ang mga personal email. So, si Danilo P. Server doesn't allow. Doesn't allow email. So, pwede natin check ito. Pero, since merong ka nakikitang dito, valid yan. So, si Danilo P. Kunin din natin. Because we always look for director of e-commerce or e-commerce manager. E-commerce manager. So, next. Living 63. Close na natin to. Ito. Oh, mayroon. Kita nyo? Yan, ito lang. Control all, then search on Google. So, this is valid. Yung mga format ng Hatli, ganun. So, mayroong lumabas, Danilo. So, valid. So, next. Close natin to. 5 tabs. This is so important. So, check Living 63 on voice. So, mayroon. Check din natin dito. Sa data.com. Merong contact. Active contacts 1. So, same result, Harold. So, try natin, same lang. Check agad natin yung phone kung daming result. Louis Style. Nakabold yan, nakabold. Living. Halos living lahat. So, maybe, si Harold din. So, valid. Kasi yung result, isang page lang. So, this is Harold phone contact. Then, may lumabas. Copies, work email. Title is President. Ano yan? Next, Engpal. Check agad natin sa OS. So, domains at Engpal, meaning not valid. Dapat mayroon ditong registrant, pangalan. Kapag ganyan domain or proxy, not valid. So, ganito. Kanina, first page lang ito. Halos abot hanggang 10 page na. Meaning, itong number na to, ito, ginagamit ng OS. So, meaning, hindi siya valid. Madaming result. This is used by OPX. So, domain number yan ng OS. So, let's check if there's a data.com. Close this. Engpal. So, mayroon. Engpal. Learn about working at engpal.com. So, no result at data. Pero mayroon siya sa LinkedIn. So, mayroon. Check natin yung website. Match sila. See all. So, dalawa lang yung contact. Pag ang company 1 to 10 lang ang employee, the email format is always first name, then company name, company domain. Pag malaki-laki, mga 50 to 200, first name initial, then last name. Pag ito, konti lang 1 to 10, 50, first name kagad dito. So, Martin. Try natin yung Martin. Si Martin at copy the ingpal. So, there's a result. Si Martin. Match yung image niya, di ba? So, this is his email. Since walang result, kasi domains at fix na natin. Mind and jewelry. Let's check agad dito. Mind and jewelry. So, ito. Meron. Tapos si Mina. Mina. So, meaning baka siya yung owner kasi yung company name niya nakapalangalan sa kanya. Mimi. MM. Double A. Double A. Double A. Mina. So, pag ganyan, ito yung kanyang personal email. At EUL, Gmail, Yahoo, mga personal email yan. So, let's copy. So, since nahanap natin yung kanyang LinkedIn, baka meron siyang LinkedIn. Siguro first name lang to. Kasi sa kanya nakapangalan. So, Mina. Valid. Nagbago dito, di ba? Tingnan natin. Ito, AUL. Tas, AUL, Mina at so, ito. Siya yung president. Then, let's copy the phone kasi mayroong contact sa LinkedIn as always. So, if you want to check also kung may nagtatrabaho pa dito sa Mina D Jewelry, just click on this. Click. Then, meron niyang lalabas. So, ito, dalawa lang sila. Past, hindi na nakalagay sa kanya. Siguro past na. Si Christine. So, you have check mga parang sabog. So, wag na lang natin kunin. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Done.